Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Shop application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open your App Store on your iOS device and go to the search box and type in Shop. Look for this application from Shopify Inc. Once you get to this interface, simply tap on the Get button to begin downloading the Shop application on your iOS device. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, and once it is, you can launch open the app and use it from your mobile devices anytime you want. So if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you.